Hello guys, welcome to your channel Learning is Divine. How are you doing? I hope you guys are doing great. I am also doing great. Today we are going to start SAP FI concepts through configuration and testing. Today we are going to learn SAP GUI navigation steps which are related to SAP. Introduction, topics, feedback and query, conclusion. Introduction. This is Paramkusa, working as a FI consultant in a corporate company, working in different implementation and support projects. We have multiple projects in SAP. We will discuss what are those types, differences in further sessions. I have experienced in multiple industries like manufacturing industry, banking, and IT sectors. These are the topics which we are going to learn, discuss today. Different screen elements. We have multiple screens, menu bar, status bar, this is status bar, this is command bar, this is application toolbar, this is status toolbar. We have different types of statuses in SAP. We will discuss further what are those types of screens. We have two types of screens in SAP. One is end user screen, easy access screen. Two, implementation screen, which is used by end user for day-to-day transactions. It is used by consultant for to do the configurations. We can call it as this screen as configuration screen, consultant screen, IMG screen. IMG means implementation guide screen, or somebody called management guide screen. I'll show you both the screens. Different screens. This is the easy access screen, which is handled by the end user to complete their day-to-day activities. This is the menu, easy access menu, where we can do the activities. And one more thing, SAP IMG activity screen. Okay, two tools, customizing, IMG, execute project. Click on SAP reference IMG. This is the IMG screen where consultant used to complete their configuration activities. Next, how to reach to a particular session. We can reach SAP has given the two ways to reach particular sessions. One is menu path. Second one is unique way where SAP differentiated from other ERP tools. That is pre-code. I'll show you what are the differences. Menu path. We have to follow, click, table, fields, options, or menus. Here we can go to particular session, go by clicking by click. Okay, what difference I'll show you. For example, we have a configuration part called define company. To define company, menu path is tools, configuration, IMG, IMG reference IMG, enterprise structure, definition, financial accounting, define company. But T code means transaction code is just OX15. By hitting OX15, we can directly go to define company window. I'll show you. First we go with first method, that is menu path. Okay. Tools, customizing, IMG, exit project, reference IMG, enterprise structure, definition, financial accounting, define company, execute define company. Okay. Let's check how to go define company screen by using transaction code. In SAP, any transaction code we should enter at command field. What is the T code for define company? OX15. Click OX15. Click on enter. Now we are directly move to OX15 define company screen. Okay. This is the simplest way to reach a destination screen. Okay. New session. We can open the new window by two ways. One is new window. Click on the new window. It will open the new window. Or else go to systems from the menu bar. Select new window. You can open the new. Move from one session to another session. Session to another. One is ALT. press tab. Second one is /n, press destination T code, DT code. We'll check it. For example, we are in the session. Okay. I'm in this session as well. OX F-02. Okay. OX02 F-02. I'm in the session. By hitting Alt tab, I can move one session to another session. Okay. But from this session, I will directly move from F-02 to OX15. To this /n, exit from this page and go to OX15. System has exit from F-02 and open OX15. Are F-02 any of the screens? No, right? You can see only one window, that is OX15. By these ways, we can move from one session to another session by closing current session. View T codes at menus. This is the menus. Okay. We learned that tools customizing IMG C. We learned that SPRO is the T code to move IMG activities. Are we able to see here the T code? No, right? Thanks. Enable display technical name. Okay. See now. Tools customizing SPRO. Same as we used earlier F-01, right? See, F-02 earlier we used. See general ledger posting F-02. Okay, this is in easy access screen. How about IMG screen? Okay, go to enterprise structure. Earlier we discussed that OX15 is the T code for define that company, right? See now, enterprise structure, definition, financial accounting, define company. Are you able to see any 4 letters, 4 digits transaction code anywhere in the screen? No, right? See now. Additional information. To check the transaction code, click on additional information. Again, additional information. Display key. Attributes. Now we can check the transaction code for define the defined company OX15, right? OX15 is the T code. Earlier which we discussed, OX15 is the T code. These are the ways to find out the T codes. Okay. Next, agenda. how to create new session from one session. New CSS session from one CSS session. We have multiple ways to do these steps. One is by selecting or open new window. Okay. Two, slash o plus enter destination T code or new window T code. Okay. One way we will check it. But assume like I'm on OX15 window. I would like to open F-02 in another session. We'll just check it how we can proceed it in both ways. Okay. For example, I'm on OX15, this window. First option is select open new windows. We can open new window by hitting this one, new GUI or system, new GUI, and go F-02. Okay. We can see how we can go one session to one session and another session without closing and without open new window. Okay. We can see through transaction code how we can do it, that process. For example, x15 dash o means open f-02 and click on enter. System will open the new window. Okay. Next, check the T code on your session. I know that I'm on transaction code f-02, but suddenly I could not revise the transaction code for this screen. To view that, from the menu bar, select the system, check the status, click on status. Here we can see f-02. F-02 is the T code for this window. Next, check the T code on session. How to check technical name for a field. Okay. For example, OX02. Let's assume OX02. I would like to find out the company code, this field technical name. Okay, to check the technical name of the particular field, click on the field and press F1. And hit the settings command. The field name of the company code BUKRS. Field name. Sir, you can ask me one question, why the field name is required? What is that? I will discuss it now. For example, we have a request from the client that define the customized report. See, we have two types of reports. One is standard, which is given by the SAP. Two, customized, user defined, client defined, client requirement defined. So define, we used to do the customization. We receive the request that define the customization to consultant. To a paper. ABAP. We will discuss what is ABAP and okay. To define the customizing report, we used to do, assume like this is the report. Okay, and name, date, company name, particulars, document date, reason, debit and credit. But to define it, this is the report. Which consultants, which end user want. Okay, and the company name, okay. Now, client raise the request to define the report in this format. Okay, but ABAP knows the transaction code for this field, technical field name for the reason. He knows the technical name for debit, and he knows the technical field name for credit, but he don't know the technical name for the document date. For that, he ABAP reach to consultant stating I give the document date field called field name to define the report. Now consultant used to check the document date technical name. How F02. Here I can see document date. Click on document date, select F1, select this option, technical information. Here you can see field name BLDAT. LDAT. See, we can check the document date in only user can view the date, but SAP knows document date as it's only BLDAT only, BL date, building date, like that. BLDT2 only SAP knows, but end user knows that document date. To define the particular report, we know we have to given the technical field name. Okay, by this way we can check the technical name of the particular field. Next, unlock the session. Earlier we saw the error that session already open in another window. OX15. See, the data is locked by user BEST and can be displayed only. Do you want to display locked data? Yes. If I select the display locked data, system, user cannot enter any data, define any data. We can just display it. We can just view what are the data we already existing. To define new one, we should unlock that. To unlock the data session, the T code is SM12. Okay, where we need to enter the SM12 here under the command line. SM12 best username best locked by user best user, right? So enter the best and select all, which we need to unlock the windows, and click delete. Now we can close this one. S exit from this window. Now we can go to OX15 and enter the names. See, earlier the fields are in gray out mode, means we can't enter update any data. Now we can update any data. There's the way to unlock the session. Okay, one more thing, last and final, how to set start transaction. Yes, log out. Trying to log in. Once I logged in, the system main page is easy access window. Okay, I would like to open SPRO window. Like this window should open once I logged in. See, for that, extras, set start transaction, SPRO, enter, logged out, ECC. See, the system, once I hit and log in, the system opens in SPRO window, not in easy access. This is the way to remove that. Set extras, set start transaction, remove and keep it as blank so that next time system will open in easy access. Let us check. See, this is the way we can set up the start transaction. Okay, and give your feedback in comment section, and I'll provide the Google Forms link in under the description. Please update your queries and feedback in both the ways, and I'll give the clarification what you have given if you have any doubts in the next session. Thank you so much to spend the valuable time. And finally, one more thing. If you open the form link, it will open like this. Update your mail ID. Update your mail ID, your name, query. If it is in query, select the query. If it is in feedback, select the feedback. Choose choose the video getting query or you want to give feedback. Number, question. And give your rating on content and explanation and submit. Please subscribe and like the video. Share with your friends to share the knowledge. Thank you so much.